How to enable music recognition with Circle to Search. This tutorial shows you how to identify a song playing around you without switching apps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Special Features. After that, tap Gestures. At this point, tap Navigation Mode. Following this, tap Circle to Search. From here, tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, you're ready to use it whenever a song is playing. At this stage, long press the navigation bar, or the home button if you're using 3-button navigation, to trigger Circle to Search. Following this, look for the music note icon within the Circle to Search interface. From here, tap it. At this stage, hold your phone up so it can pick up the audio playing around you. Give it a moment while it listens and analyzes the song. Following this, once it's identified, you'll see the song title and artist appear on screen. From here, tap on that result if you want more details, like lyrics or where to stream it. That's how you enable and use music recognition with Circle to Search. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!